Oh, that's right, you do. Oh.
Was that the guy you were talking about?
No.
Okay.
I probably should have said that out loud, huh? See how I'm working? I'm trying to get you to $6.